How to save videos from CapCut to gallery. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save video from CapCut to your gallery. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So now let's begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your CapCut. Now after you open up your CapCut, you can either edit a video or you can just go back to a project that you already have in your drafts. So head over to the project or just simply start a project. Now for this video, I'm just starting a project which was already in my draft. And after editing, all you now need to do is tap on the export option on the top right. Now you might have to watch a video. So go through the video, and after you go through the video, the export process will start and you will be able to download your video. So as you can see right here, the exporting process has begun. Now it has been downloaded in your gallery, and it's that simple. That is how you save a video from CapCut to your gallery. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.